Once you've downloaded this file and saved it to your own computer, then you're ready to type on it. Of course, the first thing you'll do is go up here, click and type your name. You can go to the top and save it, and just put your name in the very front. And what I wanted to show you is how this is actually a live Excel document, so it should do the math for you. What's already in gray are the goals. So this is for reading. You can see achievement or proficiency is 53, learning gain 65, flow is 25%, 63. So what's in gray is our goals. You'll see the yellow, that's where you type. Everything else will calculate. So to do that, you can anywhere in this Excel sheet, you just double click on it. And when you double click on it, it'll bring it. Do you see how it looks like Excel now with A, B, the numbers going down? So this is where you type. So let's say the first row is what you need. So how many kids do you need? So you would look at your Excel document and count how many kids are there in your Excel document, and let's say that's 45. When I type in 45, the yellow goes away. 53% of 45 is 24 students, so you need 24 students to meet that goal. So now you want to look at what you actually have halfway through the school year. It should be at least half of that goal, if not higher. So you know you have 45 kids. And again, the yellow goes away because you typed in there. And let's say that right now you have 15 kids that are already proficient. So you're at 33%. Do you see how the 9 popped up? You need 9 more kids to be proficient to meet that goal. So that's how you would fill all of these out. Learning gains, make sure you're very careful. Just because they're in proficiency doesn't mean they're learning gains. They have to have a prior score. So when you're looking at that number, it will never be above, but it could be below your achievement. So this might be 41 kids. So you need 27 at 65%. So this would be 41, and maybe you're at 15. So you need 12 students to make that. And you go down to your lowest 25%. Again, on your Excel spreadsheet, there's a column that says L25. You'll look for yeses. So you might have 12 kids that are, so you need 7.56 or 8 kids. And then, you have your 12, and you might have 4 already. So you can see you need about 4 more kids. So that's how you will, it'll calculate everything for you as you put it in. To get back to the Word document, you just go to the Word anywhere and click out of it, and now everything is in there. What it also does is it takes your averages, so the 33, the 37, the 34, and it does like a mini school grade. So where are you in comparison to where our school grade would be? Once we get that done, you'll look at those kiddos who you need. You need 4 kids here, 12 kids here, 9 kids here. So how can you double dip? Do you have any that are L25 that are 2.2s? Because if you get them to a 3, they now count in 3 different categories. Or do you have any that are a high 3, but they have to be a 4? Or do you have any that are 2.2s that you can make proficient, so they'll get learning gains and proficiency? So look and see where can you at least double dip and look at those kiddos. And it is possible to triple dip, but they have to be in the lowest 25%. And you have to be able to have them make a learning gain into proficiency, wherever that is a proficiency. So once you get those names, you'll go down and you'll write them in. Which bucket or which column are you shooting for? Yes, a kid's name might be in 2 columns because you need 9 for achievement but 15 for learning gains. You might have kids that make learning gains but not proficient. Once you get that done, we'll talk about how to make sure that they are front and center on your data radar. Hope this helps.